Ever found yourself questioning, how do I report a scam if I've been victimized? Well, today we're going to walk you through that process, step by step, to ensure that you have the knowledge and tools to fight back. First things first, take a deep breath. Realizing you've been scammed can be a stressful and emotional experience, but it's crucial to stay calm. The clearer your mind, the better you can navigate the next steps. Step 1 is to gather all relevant information. This includes any communication you had with the scammer, such as emails, text messages, or social media messages. Don't forget to include any details about the scammer, like their name, email address, or phone number, and any other identifying information you may have. Also, document the method of payment you used, the amount of money you lost, and when the scam took place. Step 2 involves reporting the scam to your local law enforcement agency. This could be your local police department or sheriff's office. While they might not be able to track down every scammer, your report will alert them to the scam and possibly prevent others from becoming victims. The third step is to report the scam to your National Fraud and Cybercrime Reporting Center. In the United States, this is the Federal Trade Commission, or FTC. In the United Kingdom, it's Action Fraud. Most countries have similar organizations, so be sure to find out what agency is responsible for dealing with scams in your country. Step 4 is to contact your bank or credit card company if you shared any banking or credit card information with the scammer. They can help you protect your accounts and possibly recover some of your lost funds. Finally, step 5 is to report the scam to the platform where it occurred. This could be a social media site, an online marketplace, or a dating app, for example. These platforms also have protocols for dealing with scams and can take action to prevent the scammer from targeting others. To summarize, gather all relevant information, report the scam to your local law enforcement, report it to your National Fraud and Cybercrime Center, contact your bank or credit card company, and report the scam to the platform where it occurred. Remember, you are not alone in this. Many people have been in your shoes, and there are resources and people ready to help you navigate this difficult situation. Knowledge is power, and by knowing how to report a scam, you're already one step ahead in the fight against fraud. Stay safe, stay informed, and stand strong against scams. And remember, the best defense against scams is prevention. Always be cautious and vigilant when dealing with strangers online, and never share your personal or financial information without verifying who you're dealing with. Together, we can make the internet a safer place for everyone. Thank you for watching Bear Dark Love. Subscribe and leave a comment below if you like these type of videos, and follow us on Instagram.